Georgia, when she was 15, she smoked weed with her friends, and I found out I was eating lunch with Snoop Dogg. Now, great person to find out your kids are doing drugs with. Leanne calls me, she goes, Georgia got caught smoking weed. I go, what the fuck? I lost my shit. Now, this is how I used to parent. I was like, and well, I still do sometimes. I was like, I'm gonna lose my shit on her tonight. I'm gonna light that bitch up. I'm gonna make her cry. This isn't over. Fucking, she needs to know what she did. And I was like, when I get off work, I'm calling her, and she's gonna fucking cry, and I'm lighting her ass up. And I hang up. Snoop Dogg sitting across from me, and he goes, wow. Problems on the home front? I said, yeah. My oldest daughter smoked marijuana. Snoop's waiting for the second sentence, like, and that's it, Snoop, 15 years old. He goes, shit. How old were you when you smoked? I go, that's fucking irrelevant. He goes, where did she get it? I go, it's my weed. Snoop, stop asking questions. He goes, hold on. All she did was smoke weed, and you gonna light that bitch up until she cries? I said, yeah. He goes, can I give you some advice, just like one dad to another dad? And I said, yeah, sure. He goes, don't be such a bitch. It ain't pills, it ain't powder, motherfucker, it's weed. He's like, admittedly, you were younger when you smoked it, and now you gonna light that bitch up. I said, yeah. He goes, man, that's the wrong move as a daddy, I'll tell you that right now. Because what's happening is, you're finding out your daughter doesn't need you no more. I was like, what? He goes, that's what's fucking you up, is your little girl's growing up, she doesn't need you no more, and now you're about to call her and take all those feelings out on her, instead of being a grown-up dealing with your feelings and parenting the situation. I was like, when the fuck did you become a doctor, Snoop? He goes, you ain't making that call. I said, what? He goes, not to my niece, you ain't calling her, lighting her ass up. I ain't letting it happen. I said, what are you gonna do? And he goes, after work, I'm gonna cool you the fuck down. He goes, you coming by my trailer, player? And he leans in real close. He goes, we gonna take a shower. I said, what did you say? He goes, you heard me, don't tell nobody neither. And he walks away. And now I'm sitting there going, am I taking a bath with Snoop Doggy Dogg? It's gotta be hip hop slang, it's gotta be, right? So I get done work, I go to his trailer, I knock on the door, and he goes, I knew you'd show up. I said, what? He goes, you're doing the right thing. I go, I'm not really sure I am. He goes, no, white boys love this shit. I'm like, wait, what? And then he's like, it's kind of right, like white guys do love gay shit, like it's our favorite thing. Like if I could sneak around and put my dick on his shoulder, he'd be like, got me. The funniest I've ever, in high school, I put my dick and balls in a champagne glass. It was a big champagne glass. And I went to my buddy Sal Carinante and I went, cocktail? Now, we do love gay shit. Did you know not all gay guys like the taste of cum? Yeah, I found that out the hard way. Not the hard, never mind, fuck it. Anyway. So he goes, come on, man. I said, Snoop, I've never really done this. And he goes, oh, bullshit. I said, well, I did it in like high school and college, but I haven't done this as an adult. And he goes, it's still fun. I go, you do this? He goes, I did it with Dr. Dre last week. I go, are you serious? He goes, yeah, man, it's like a bonding experience. Come on, man. I'm here for you. And I go, do we do it at the same time? He goes, that's the only way to do it, motherfucker. Stop being so fucking weird. So I go, okay. And I start walking to his bathroom, and Snoop goes, where the fuck are you going? So I'm going to your shower. He goes, why? I said, because you said you're going to cool me down. We was going to take a shower. He goes, I did not say that. I said we was going to take a shot. And I went, oh, that makes so much more sense. Yeah, okay, yeah, let's do a shot. And Snoop's fucking frozen and he goes, oh, I don't want to take a shot no more. I kind of want to be alone right now. You came over here to fucking shower? I said, well, it was your idea. And he goes, no, it fucking wasn't. And even if it was my idea, wait, you showed the fuck up? He goes, if I didn't stop you right now, where the fuck would you be? I said, in your shower? He goes, doing what? And I said, waiting for you?
That's great.
Snoop Dogg reaches into his pocket, pulls out a blunt, lights it, hits it, and he goes, fuck you, I know why your daughter smokes weed. And then we smoked a blunt, we took a shot, and we ended up in his shower. We got so high, it's like, fuck it, I gotta see if we fit. We got in there fully dressed, and he's like, you fat fuck, how is this gonna work? He's like, see if you can grab the soap. I was like, oh, fool me once, Snoop. We got so high that night, I handed the blunt to a mirror. I swear to God, I was like, you finish it. I think he's trying to kill me. I know my daughter Isla's gonna smoke weed. I can, just by the way she thinks, I think she smoked it already. I'm almost certain. She said to me the other day, we went to a concert and she saw a cop with a police dog. She goes, why do they use dogs for canine units? I was like, I don't think I follow. And she goes, well, they don't have thumbs. I go, what the fuck are you pitching? She says, what if they use gorillas? I could not stop fucking laughing at the scenario that she was imagining in her fucking head of two SWAT guys going, fuck. This is bad, hostage situation, it's a kindergarten. Should we send in the dogs? They don't have thumbs, Bill. I say we send in Coco. And then, from a van under a tree, you see a silverback gorilla with a helmet on and goggles just come out. And they're like, all right, Coco, we don't want what happened last time, okay? No throw babies. We throw, how do you say fucking terrorist? Just terrorist, or terrorist, you can't drive because you're a woman. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to say it. Brown man. I never finished throwing the fucking kid in the river. I shit my pants in the middle of that, didn't I? Oh fuck, we gotta finish that later. You guys are like, what happened to the fucking kid? Fuck shitting your pants, you got a kid in the middle of the air. Don't let me forget, this is bad because the kid couldn't fucking swim. I pushed him and then I heard from the house, he can't swim! I'm like, what the fuck? Now it looks like I'm murdering this kid, just die, devil seed! He hits the water, he disappeared quick as fuck. And then all the moms are like, save that baby boy, Bert Kreischer! I'm thinking, maybe this is natural selection. I'll make it quick. I saved the kid. I did save the kid. I bring him in the shallow water. First thing he says to me, I can't swim. Cool, man. That would be great to know 30 fucking seconds ago, asshole. He goes, I thought I had my life preserver on. I was like, oh, buddy, those are your titties. And then his mom came and lit him up. She's like, because apparently this happens a lot. And then she leaves and he goes, oh, I'm sorry, mister, but if I put my life preserver on, would you throw me in the water? I was like, buddy, I can't think of anything I want to do more in the fucking world. And then we ended our day with me throwing him in the water, and every time he gets to the edge of the dock, he'd go, hold on now. It's on. And his dad got mad at me. His dad's like, I heard you trying to kill my boy. I go, that's not what happened. And he goes, don't worry, it happens all the time. You know, I don't know what's wrong with that boy. I was like, oh, I have an idea. You're not supposed to fuck Cersei. Now, let's go back.
Oh, Cersei argues.
Let's go back to the scenario at hand. Coco, the canine gorilla. This is my favorite part. I go, Isla, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. And she goes, no, Dad, think about it. Have you ever seen someone give up when they release the dogs on them? And I go, yeah. She goes, how quick